Welcome to JunYi Beauty, your one-stop hair brush and comb manufacturer, based in Dongguan, China. We've been making custom hair care tools for global brands since 1999. It all starts here in our molding workshop. Every brush design begins with precision CNC machining. We've developed over 2,000 molds in-house, and our team can create a fully custom mold from your design in just 2 to 3 weeks. From the mold shop, we move to injection molding. Our facility runs over 200 machines, equipped with robotic arms for automated parts removal. This means faster cycle times, consistent quality, and the capacity to handle large volume orders without delays. Next comes assembly. Our team of over 150 skilled workers handles everything from bristle insertion to handle fittings, all done by hand for the precision that machines alone can't achieve. Every piece is inspected at this stage before moving forward. Here you can see paddle brush bodies fresh from molding, ready for cushion pad assembly and bristle tufting. We produce multiple product lines simultaneously: paddle brushes, detangling brushes, round brushes, combs, all under one roof. Our bristle tufting machines handle both nylon and natural bristle options. Whether your product needs ball-tip nylon pins, boar bristles, or a combination, we match the exact specifications your brand requires. After tufting, finished brushes move to quality inspection and curing. What you see here are hundreds of brushes going through our quality control process. Every batch is checked for bristle alignment, cushion firmness, and overall finish before packaging. And this is our showroom, representing 25 years of design and manufacturing experience. Paddle brushes, detangling brushes, round brushes, wooden brushes, combs, every shape, color, and material you can imagine. Many of these designs were custom developed for brands like Walmart, Target, Miniso, Kent, and GHD. Whether you're launching a new private label line or looking for a reliable OEM partner to scale your existing range, we have the molds, the capacity, and the experience to make it happen. JunYi Beauty, from concept to shelf, all in one factory. Get in touch today.